be showing you guys how to make this clay molding activity. This is an example of what it's going to look like. Now, these are the items that we're going to need. We're going to need some clay, tape, glue or glue stick, a piece of paper, scissors, pen or pencil, 2 toothpicks, some crayons or any form of coloring utensil, and an astronaut picture, a paper astronaut. Now let's begin. Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this clay molding activity. These are a few examples of how it's going to look like, so let's begin. First, I'm going to start off with some clay. I'm going to take about a handful size, about this size, and I'm going to roll it into the shape of a sphere. You can be very creative with this at this point. You can make it into a heart, you can make it into animal shapes, whatever you would like. I'm just going to keep it as a circle. Now I'm going to take a piece of paper and I'm going to cut out a small rectangular piece. And then from one end, I'm going to fold in a little bit. Now on the front, I'm going to take a pencil or a pen and write "Friend of Jesus." And on the back, I'm going to write my name. Next, what I'm going to do, on this flap that we folded in, I'm going to take some glue and I'm going to put some glue on that piece. Like so. Now I'm going to take a toothpick and I'm going to put it in that fold and fold that piece in and make sure that it's stable, like this. And now this is going to be the flag. Next, I'm going to take out a paper astronaut and I'm going to cut it out. And now I have a shape of an astronaut. It's a paper astronaut. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little stick that I have or a toothpick. I'm going to put it onto the back of this astronaut and I'm going to tape it down. Like so. Now that I'm done with these pieces, I can stick these pieces into the clay. Now my astronaut, and then my flag. And that's how you create this clay model. Now that we're done creating this piece, you can be creative with how you want to create it. For example, you could color these pieces, you could color the paper astronaut, you could color your flag, you can decorate it however you would like. Also, for the piece of clay, you could create it in various shapes. You can make it into a heart, you can create it into different planets, you could create little holes into the piece of clay in order to make it look like a moon. You can be very creative and use your imagination. Thank you for joining us.